off limits in terms of if you were in a predominantly white neighborhood. Part of my dissertation talks about how African American boys were stopped and frisked just because they were driving through or down a certain street. So we knew that kind of racism. We knew that we were treated a certain way because of our color. We were very clear about that. I went to Santa Monica High, which was the only public high school in Santa Monica. There was a Catholic high school. So Santa Monica High was a melting pot of all cultures and ethnicities. And so, you know, we were exposed to integrated school. But at the same time, the elementary school that I went to, which was Garfield Elementary School, was predominantly black and Hispanic. And that school was closed. And it was closed on the premise that the freeway was going to either take the school or come too close to the school to make it safe for students to get there. But that wasn't true. That school was never torn down. It's part of an industrial park right now. And the freeway didn't come up Olympic Boulevard. It came to the side of Olympic Boulevard. And so we had to cross Olympic Boulevard every single day to get to school. We had a crossing guard. So nothing, as far as the freeway is concerned, was changed because it didn't come that close to the school. But they took all of the students. I was in the last 6th grade graduating class from Garfield Elementary. And all the black and Latino students were transferred to 3 different schools that had been predominantly white.
And what was the true purpose?
It was the only predominantly black and Hispanic school in the district, and I don't think they wanted that to be. That was the school that served the black community and the Hispanic community in Santa Monica.
In Santa Monica? They were commuting to Garfield?
No, we lived in Santa Monica.
Oh, Garfield was in Santa Monica.
Garfield was in Santa Monica. It was the elementary school that served the predominantly black community. Some Hispanics and mostly black. So that school was closed when the Santa Monica freeway came through. It came through the black community. It wiped out black businesses. The whole business avenue on Olympic Boulevard was affected by the Santa Monica freeway coming through.
But my kid went to Edison, and that's right there.
Right there. But some of the kids from Garfield went to Edison too. They also went to Will Rogers. They also went to McKinley.
But if they allow Edison, it can't be proximity to the freeway that's the issue, right?
Right. Yeah. So it wasn't true. But a lot of the homes that were in Santa Monica were taken by eminent domain. People didn't have a choice because the freeway at that time was the priority. And so people that owned their homes, for the most part, were not given market rates so that they could buy back into the community. So they moved to other places. They moved to Venice or they moved to Los Angeles.
What year, Naomi?
62, 63.
So it affected the black community more than the Hispanic community, right?
Well, you know, I would say yes, because there were more blacks in the community than Hispanics. But it was pretty predominantly black. But there were Hispanics that lived in the community too. We were integrated in that way. And people got along, there were no issues. I mean, I remember friends that were Mexicans that I went to school with. You know, They taught us the pachuca hop, and we taught them how to do the slop and the slide, and so, it was cool. We got along fine. I miss you.